Srimati Renuka Chaudhary.
The entire house has been seized by this matter, and there have been such valuable suggestions that have come, and there is a little to add after Sharad Pawarji has spoken, but being a farmer and working in the land as I do. Wow. Yeah, wow, क्या सचमुच हम करते हैं आपकी thank you इंग्लिश में करो So, sir, there are critical areas that we need to address, which with the interdepartmental and interministerial interventions that we require. Number one, in the summers, जब आपके तालाब सूख जाते हैं, desilting of the lakes and canals should take place so that your storage increases, moisture in the land will improve, and that valuable soil that you desilt will go into the small and tiny farmers' land to refurbish and recharge their land. So compulsorily every summer, you have to desilt your tanks and canals so that optimal use of storage of water and increasing the moisture content should happen. Number two, of course, the financial aspect of it, where the banks have to have a swift response system, whereby we lend the farmer the money immediately. A farmer cannot wait for 6 months after the crop is over, where he needs seed to immediately sow in his land. Third, corporate social responsibility. Industries such as in Bhadrachalam, we have Bhadrachalam Paper Board, where I have virgin land on which I can grow gold. Such territories are being induced by industry to grow eucalyptus. And after 10 crops, sir, I can only put brick kilns there, nothing else will grow if you continue with eucalyptus cropping. Now, the most crucial aspect of agriculture, sir, is crop planning. Crop planning is vital for the country at this point. We should be able to identify dry lands and irrigated lands and non-irrigated lands, whereby we then incentivize the farmers, where you will have pulse districts and cereal districts, and you have to give alternate crop to non-irrigated crops. Now, in areas like tobacco growing, like Andhra and Telangana we have, you cannot grow anything where tobacco grows unless you irrigate the land. So you can't tell the farmers that go on a crop holiday when they were considered the kings of the golden crop, and you will not give an alternate crop. What is happening to dry land agriculture? We see it withdrawing instead of propagating more. All this should be, crop planning is going to be vital, sir, on the water availability, on the standards that we apply, and the need for feeding this nation. We cannot forget our food securities at this point, whereby we incentivize crops. Now, if you don't do that, sir, other nations like America, which are the biggest producers of corn, are now dumping in countries like ours corn and corn byproducts. Do you see indigenous corn anywhere now other than American corn everywhere? And we are removing our foods which are balanced by agriculture utilities and bringing in breakfasts like cornflakes and whatnot, instead of our traditional indigenous food, which are actually healthier for us to eat than others. Do you know that cooking in tamarind extract actually removes fluoride from the body? But we have changed. Changing agricultural pattern impacts health on India. And we haven't studied that enough. And sir, is there a directory of our indigenous seed available? For centuries, India protected her seed. Farmers and their families hand-picked and hand-selected seed after every crop. Today, thanks to this, that we have lost our indigenous seed, and we are so impressed by Indonesia and other countries. We had water-resistant seed. We had drought-resistant seed. And we had indigenous seed which actually fed and kept us healthier than we are in today's current times. And we have lost some of that indigenous seed forever if we don't look out. We are losing vegetable species. We are losing pulse and cereal species which are not available anymore, simply because we haven't paid or invested in traditional indigenous seed banks, which should be done even with great urgency even today. And unless we crop plant, water surplus land where there is rich water, you should be able to incentivize the farmer with immediate seed availability for them to be able to plant and grow those. And dryland agriculture should look at that, as well as the water and irrigation department must go hand in glove. Otherwise, you have mercury rising everywhere, and we need to look into that. Thank you for giving me this patient
Thank you
hearing.
very much. Very good points you said. Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General. Secretary General, message from Lok Sabha.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 21st of December 2015 passed the National Waterways Bill 2015. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Now, see, reply will be tomorrow, I suppose. Okay, reply will be tomorrow.